Good night!
See you tomorrow.
Good night, Father.
Relax na nga yan yung katawan niyo. That's 12.
Joke, uwi ka naman.
Panorin muna tayo TV.
Focus, guys.
Love team.
Hi.
Yeah, right. You're not even him.
Kung may love team, ano opposite ng, hindi love team?
Hate.
Unfocused love team. I like that you said the horns on my head. Grabe. That was awesome. If there's an angel in my...
If there's wings on my back, there's horns on my head.
Pinag-isipan niya talaga yun eh. Di ba?
Grabe talaga ako. Wow, witty ko pala.
That was awesome.
Sumalabas ang pagka-witty. O diba? Ako talaga nagkano sa'yo eh.
Nagiging witty-tit ka.
Oo, nagsilbing inspirasyon si Paco.
Nakabahan ako, baka hindi ako makatulog.
Ako mami eh.
Pang big 5 na to.
For a big slot na yan, oh.